Here comes Holly EFI Factory X, round one of eliminations. Their Charlotte zMAX debut. We are still looking for our first member, the ARP 6-Second Club. And the $10,000 that comes with that, we're still looking to add to the Gesso 200 Mile Per Hour Club, where only Alan Johnson, not in attendance this weekend, but in a race car that's on the racetrack right now, is a member. Len Lottig on the left.
Same as FlexJet Factory Stock Showdown. Alex Laughlin right side, Len Lottig on the left. But look at the qualifying lead team.
Len Lottig, 7:22 at 186. Car moved much better down low. Alex Laughlin made a bunch of power down track. Those 194 miles per hour.
And that 13-inch crankshaft center line has got the engine up high and out front, so getting the weight to transfer and all of those elements, unlike anything we've seen in drag racing at this point. So they're trying to figure it out. Do you spin the tire? Do you try to stick the tire? Do you treat it like a...
The higher qualified car on the left side in the Mustang. But it's third to sixth, separated by 11 down. Ride for Stephen Bell, 7:13, 192. Hello. Add that Mustang to the list of cars capable of taking home one.
Said these cars all have wet sump oiling systems. Unlike Pro Stock, that's got a dry sump system. They got a wet sump system. So they want the oil pan. System, and that feel that causes the 13-inch crankshaft center line and affects the tuning of the chassis. But these guys out here, Davey Deeney, Tommy Laney, these stores, Grumpy Jenkins, they got Jesse Alexander's machine tuned up, and I'm sure they'll figure it out. Meanwhile, Chris Holbrook, he's got a bum wing. Hurt his shoulder, left shoulder, a couple of weeks ago. That's why he couldn't be out there in Vegas.
Really? His left shoulder?
Yeah.
Are we in England?
Well, he hurt it, but he's here.
No,
his right shoulder, the shift.
That's what I was saying, yeah.
Is fine.
Okay.
So he's going to be okay.
Should have been in Vegas.
Yeah.
Come on.
Now,
based on how they continue to push the car, I'm guessing that it's not running.
Fortunate for Chris, has shown excellent effort to qualifying at 7:11, 7:15, over 190 miles an hour, but that's what he's been running. 7:25.8, 186.
Hey, stop me if you've heard this before. Jesse Alexander. Sunday, the final.
Five-time Super Stock World Champion, Aaron Stanfield on the right-hand side. Top Sportsman, right trailers, Top Sportsman, staging lanes, please. Top Sportsman, staging lanes, please.
Mike Rice for Aaron Stanfield. Man, how good has Greg been so far in these cars? Aaron Stanfield knocks off Dad, 7:05, 194. Left on him, drove away, second quickest run of the weekend, and Aaron Stanfield puts Greg on the trailer in round one.